This is about February 1948. The location was the same where MH370 was last seen on radar in 2014, the Strait of Malacca. This place is a narrow sea strip between Malaysia and Indonesia, through which thousands of ships of the world pass. That day, the weather was completely clear, the sea calm, and the air also cool, like normal days. On this same route, many ships of America and Britain were traveling. Everything was normal, but suddenly, many ships' radios received a strange signal. Welcome once again to the video. This strange signal was in Morse code format. Morse code is an old communication method, but it is much more reliable than voice messages. Usually, if voice is transmitted on radio, it depends on distance and obstacles present in the atmosphere, such as fog, dust, and moisture. And when there are obstacles, the audio message does not completely reach the receiver.